Can you hear that, YouTubers? It is actually just after 6 o'clock on a Sunday morning, and I am actually, unfortunately, or fortunately, I don't know which way to look at it, on the way to work. The reason I say unfortunately is because I am not a day person. I've hardly had any sleep because yesterday, the heat was horrendous. Apparently it's another scorcher forecast for today. So because I don't like the heat, I was in bed all day, and as a result it's had a knock-on effect and I've hardly had any sleep. Set me alarm for 5 o'clock to wake myself up properly because I need to go for the 7:20 metro, so to wake myself up properly and get ready, because it does take me a while to wake up properly, but at least I'll be finished at 5. And what I'm going to look forward to doing today is something I did on Friday evening, and I'm pretty sure I spotted them. I'm going to do dolphin watching in Whitley Bay, because on Friday evening I had my binocs and I was looking out towards St Mary's Lighthouse in Whitley Bay, and I'm pretty sure I saw a pod of dolphins feeding. There was loads of bird activity and there was little black things just on the surface, so I'm pretty sure it was dolphin activity. I can't be certain because my binoculars aren't that powerful, but I'm hoping it was. Anyway, I'm going to get going and walk up to the Matty station. So probably vlog when I'm doing my dolphin watch, so stay in a bit, YouTubers.